These are the wheels. Yeah, so I'll see you in the house. I'll be cleaning them. So we got donkeys on the road. Rich Viper Mide is back again, and no, we're not doing bumpers today. The weather is kind of bad, so we're on the road because I found another Facebook market still. We're heading to pick it up now. I'm gonna get some new alloys. I have quite nice alloys on the car as it is, but they are from newer cars, so they don't really fit the older car kind of in a way. So they're gonna have to go. I'm gonna sell the ones that I have now. So basically the alloys I'm getting now is gonna be for free, and then once I sell mine, I'll sell them double the price what I'm buying the ones now for. And yeah, so I'll make my money back and make some on top. This project is gonna be basically the cheapest build ever without spending any money, and I show you it's possible to do so if you're willing to put in a bit of work. So now we're driving. Can't show you what car, you probably already know, but still we're driving on this road now, past some, I don't know, dodgy towns. Yeah, so we have about an hour and a half to drive, and of course there's tractors. Now you have to overtake.
The sky is falling. The sky is falling. The sky is falling. The sky is falling.
We're half an hour away now, just past an average speed cam, so I have to do my speed limit. And yeah, so nearly there. The weather is doing okay. It's not raining yet. Just gonna pack up the wheels, hopefully not in rain. Okay, I'm taking back my words about the weather, because this side looks really bad. Like back there it wasn't too bad. We're gonna get some crazy rain. Ouch. So hopefully by the time I get there it will clear up. And I don't know where does he want to meet me either. But I think it was the location he sent me was like a gas station, so hopefully we'll have some kind of a roof. So I have arrived. I'm waiting for the guy to come now. He lives around here somewhere, so hopefully he's here sometime soon. I parked where I'm not supposed to park. There's nowhere to park. The wheels have been acquired. They're at the back. Got them even cheaper than we agreed on, so happy days. But they need a good respray, like refurbishment is needed. Like there's no cracks or like curb marks or nothing like that, but it does need a good clean and a spray paint job. So that's another video for you guys. We got donkeys on the road. Only in Ireland. Finally go home with the wheels. Jeez, that was a long ass drive. I'm gonna pull you out. So they're basically M5 style wheels, but they need a lot of cleaning, so I might just clean them now. These are the wheels. Let me show you how they look on the car. I know it's very dark, but I'll just give them a quick wash. And that's what we got. Can guess what wheels are these? Pro which car? Rich Viper Media.